another day, another video, and another content for today. So, this is my day, and ito yung mga typical na mga day na ginagawa ko. So, stick around, watch until the end if you're interested about this kind of episode. If not, it's fine. You are free to end this video now and watch different types of video. Pero kung gusto mong magstay, thank you very much in advance. So ngayon, gagawin natin is I want to challenge myself na kumpletuhin yung mga task ko this day. Yan. So, 5 to 6:30 wake up. Ang mga main activities na gagawin natin for today is travel, go to the office, in him office, and shoot yung school ni Mishka. Tapos, notarize ng business permit ng clients namin from OnTrends. So, yun yung mga major na gagawin natin. But don't worry, sasabihin ko yung mga kung nasan tayo and kung ano yung mga activities or task na ginagawa natin. I hope masamahan nyo for today. So, let's go. Alright guys, time check is mag 8 AM na, and si Mishka is almost done sa breakfast niya. So as you can see, wala na si wifey, Mami Jean. I think umalis siya ng mga 4 AM kanina, maaga pa siya. So kaya kami lang naiiwan ni Mishka dito since now wala pa kaming yaya para kay Mishka. So papaliguan ko siya ngayon, and then after that, punta kami sa uncle ko. So, okay? Sige, back to you later. Okay guys, time check, it's magna 9:30. We are just on time. Papunta na kami sa uncle ko para ihatid doon si Tatiana. So, let's go. Bye-bye. So, balik lang ko niya to, ha? Okay, time check is almost 10. Let's go. Morning, bro. Morning. Okay guys, welcome back today. So, yun. Nandito na ako ngayon sa appointment namin sa Inhi Media. So, right now, we're here sa office ng Sugbo Mercado. So, time check natin, it's 10:30 and nasa 50% na tayo for our activities or sa productivity natin. Okay, kanina katatapos lang hinatid ko si Mishka kay Uncle And then right now, nandito tayo sa in-him office and shoot, yung shoot namin. So, yan. And then after this, hopefully meron pang extra time para mag-panotaryo ng business permit for our clients. So, yun. Or diretso na ako pick up ulit si Mishka, go back home, and then prepare sa school. So, sige. See you later, and back to you soon, okay? Balik ako sa inyo mamaya. Bye-bye. Okay, so katatapos na namin mag-shoot doon sa Sugbo Mercado, and activity natin for today. So mga nasa 80% na tayo. So hopefully 100% na tayo, and yun.
Ba't ka nagtatagalog, Nick?
And Ariel. Tagalog lang tayo, coach. Hindi ako nabubulol ako, coach, pag Bisaya. After this, punta ako sa kay Tipper, yung motor natin.
Alright guys, thanks to Ariel. Inayos niyo yung natin camera. Hello po, ako po yung hindi po yung So, pauwi na ako, and then aanin natin yung baby ko. So,
grabe, ang init. And, yun. Wait. So, katatapos lang natin mag-shoot sa in-him, and after that, yun, hinatid din natin si baby sa school. And yung next natin, wait. Our next activity sana is notarize yung client's permit. However, since wala pa yung SPA, yung special power of attorney, kasi ako yung magpaprocess on behalf of the client. So, wala pa siya. Kasi ipapanotaryo ko doon, kasama din yung business permit form. Gusto ko na lang isabay lahat yung apat para isang bayad na lang din. So, hindi natin nagawa to. Scratch. But instead, ang gagawin natin is visit natin yung mga FB page na minamanage natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga progress, and if ever meron mga inquiries, sasagutin natin. Okay? Okay, so ang init. So, let's go! So, it's 3:20. It's time na i-pick up si Mishka sa school. So, tara. Hi guys! Welcome back. So, time check. It's 4 p.m. And nakuha na natin si Tatiana sa school. So, bale 4 to 5. Check FB page. So, tamang-tama. Meron tayong inquiries sa isang minamanage natin na business. O yan. Okay. Hindi siya masyadong kita. So, sagutin natin yan. And, yun. And then, after that, mamalengke tayo. Tapos, cook. Then, mamaya banding. So, see you later. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so it's cooking time, and ito na, nagluluto na ako from 5 to 7, then dinner, and then after that our family bonding na. So yun, kita-kits. Bye. What are you doing? watching my vlog. So, Mama Jean is sleeping na kasi maaga pa siyang missing kanina. So, dito na kami. So, mamaya-maya guys, next activity natin is learning. Reading books. So, sige. See you guys ulit mamaya. Okay guys, so it's 9 p.m. and nagpatulog na tayo kay Mishka. So, na ginawa kanina. Dinner is done, bonding, and right now, learning. So, let's read some books. One of my books na binabasa is author is Jack Canfield, The Success Principle, How to Get from Where You Are to Where You Want to Be. So, parang ano siya, parang ito yung all-in na think and grow rich. And I recommend na basahin ito guys. Alright guys, natapos ko yung dalawang chapter ng books. So, time check is 10:35. And right now, we're going to our last activity for the day, running. So, let's go. Okay guys, I'm ready with the final activity for today, which is the running. It's 11:10 and kailangan kong hinaan yung boss ko kasi tulog na sila mami. So, tatakbo tayo mga 25 minutes. 25 minutes run. So, yun yung tatakboy natin. And, unfortunately, hindi ko madadala to kasi mabigat. So, yan, naka-outfit na ako. Yan. So, babalik na lang ako sa inyo guys. Mamaya, update ko kayo. Sige, bye-bye. Yun, natapos din natin but we end up 12 a.m. Ang goal sana natin matapos siya ng 11:30 p.m. but nasobrahan tayo ng 30 minutes. Pero let's check our record. 5 kilometers and 75 meter. So ang average pace natin is 6 minutes and 45 seconds. That's how I plan my activity per day, and as much as possible ma-accomplish ko lahat ng plan ko. And right now magpa-plan pa ako, gagawin ko siyang 30 minutes para bukas. So let's see. I hope you enjoy watching my one day activity, and I hope I inspire you to be more productive on your day. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel natin, please subscribe para palagi kang updated sa mga bago nating uploads. Okay? So again, I hope makasama kita ulit sa next video. Sige, see you. Bye-bye. And good morning. Okay.